Extend the left leg long down to the mat. Hands are on your right knee or shin. Bring that right knee close to your chest and body. Deep inhale. And exhale. Release the right leg down long. Switch it out. Left knee comes to your chest. Deep inhale. Squeeze it tighter. Once you get there, go right into your cow and cat movement. As you inhale, cow pose, drop the belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, cat, round through the spine, push the ground away. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Take a couple more rounds, going with your own breath and pace, or take any other organic movements that would feel good for your spine and body. Make this feel really good for your spine and body. Really accentuate those movements. Give back to yourself. Now come back to your tabletop. Then lift the palms off the mat, come to your shin.